day to all. Dear children, as I said you last class, every video is useful for your further classes. I thank our girls who have done their homework at once. I request our boys to involve in this online classes. So you have to utilize this video and make it to be fruitful. Shall we go to today's section? Yes, we are going to see world map today. What do you know about world map? Yes, it consists of 7 continents and 5 oceans. Do you know what are the 7 continents? Yes, that is North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia and Antarctica. Then what are the 5 oceans? Yes, that is Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Antarctic Ocean. I think you have studied all the 7 continents and 5 oceans in lower classes. Do you know where it is in world map? Yes, now I am going to write down the 7 continents and 5 oceans in world map. See that? Yes, this is North America. What is this? This is North America. And below the North America, what is the continent? Yes, that is South America. Below the North America, what is that? South America. Next one is Africa. Next, Asia. Then, Europe. Then, Australia. And last, Antarctica. So all these are the 7 continents. Next I am going to write the 5 oceans. So this is Pacific Ocean, and then Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is between Africa and America. And you know very well about the Indian Ocean because it is near the India. See here. Next, Antarctic Ocean. And the last one is the Arctic Ocean. You can ask the question, why Miss telling the 7 continents now? Yes, there is a relation between the 7 continents and what are the places we are going to mark in this map. Do you clear? Do you clear all the 7 continents and 5 oceans? Shall we insect all these places, countries in this map? Before that, see this. What is this line? Can you see these lines? Yes, I already told you. All these lines are the latitude lines. What I told you about latitude? Yes, latitude is an imaginary line that drawn from west to east, isn't it? It is an imaginary line. இப்போ அது என்ன சொல்லியிருக்கேன் நான் உங்கள்கிட்ட, அது ஒரு கற்பனை கோடுன்னு சொல்லியிருக்கேன். இப்போ ஆக்சுவலாக அந்த லைன்ஸ் வந்து எர்த்ல இருக்கா அப்படின்னு கேட்டிங்கன்னா, it is not in earth. It is an imaginary line. The map maker only drawn this line. For what purpose? Yes, for the identification of the places. That 0 degree is called what line? Yes, that is the equator. You know already that equator only divides the earth into 2 equal halves. That 0 degrees indicates what line? Yes, that is equator. Like that, in India, which line is passes through the center? Yes, that is the Tropic of Cancer. Which latitude line passes through India? Yes, that is the Tropic of Cancer. Equator and Tropic of Cancer is an imaginary line that drawn from west to east. For what purpose it is there? Do you know? Yes, for the identification of the places. Okay, next I am going to insert all these countries in this continent. So it is very important. First you have to thorough this continent and where it is in the world map. First you see, what is that? San Francisco. San Francisco where? See here. Yes. It is in North America. So which is the clue for here? So North America is a clue word for remembering which word? Yes, that is the San Francisco. While writing the San Francisco, what you have to remember? First you have to remember that is in North America. Like that, next place is Morocco. Morocco in where? Yes, it is in Africa. See here. So which is the clue for Morocco? Yes, Africa continent is here. Clue for the Morocco. Next, Italy. Italy in where? See here. Italy is like a shoe shape. Now you have to see this place very minutely is there. So it is like a shoe shape. So this is the Italy. Do you understand? Yes. Italy, all this part comes under which continent? That is in Europe. In so many places are located in Europe. For example, Italy, next France, Germany, Greece, and Bulgaria, Serbia, and Austria-Hungary. So all these places are located in which continent? In Europe. So while writing these places, you have to remember Europe is a clue word for these places. Next one is France. Yes, which is France? Yes, France is in which continent? Yes, it is in Europe continent. Next, Greece. Where is Greece? See here. This is Greece. So Greece is also which continent? Yes, it is in also in Europe continent. Next, Bosnia. Where is Bosnia? Yes, this is Bosnia. Bosnia is also comes under which continent? Yes, in Europe continent. And next one is here, Great Britain. So there is also another name for Great Britain. It is also called London or England. England, London, Great Britain. So all these three names are same. If they are asking any name, you have to mark in these places. So these three places are same only. So you have to mark it here. The next one is Austria-Hungary. Yes, so it is here. Yes, it is also comes under Europe continent. And then Egypt. You know very well about the Egypt. Yes, which is famous here? Yes, pyramid, isn't it? So Egypt is it is in Africa continent. This is Egypt. And then Japan. See here, this is Japan. Okay, Japan comes under which continent? It comes under the Asia continent. Next one, New Zealand. See here, New Zealand. I am rounded this place now. So this is here, New Zealand. Next, Hiroshima. In Japan, where is the Hiroshima? See here, Hiroshima and Nagasaki are the two cities is located in which place? Yes, that is in Japan. Next one, Hawaii Island. Yes, it is located in Central Pacific Ocean. What is that? Hawaii Island. It is located in which place? Yes, that is in Central Pacific Ocean. The last one is India is our country. Do you know India is in which continent? Yes, it is in Asia continent. Where is India? Yes, this is India. Do you understand all these places? So which is the clue word for this map? Yes, the 7 continent is your clue for all these places. If you thorough the 7 continents, then only it is easy to write all these places. And one more thing you have to know, all these places are very small in size, isn't it? ரொம்ப குட்டி குட்டியா இருக்கு இல்லையா? So அதனால உன்னால வந்து அக்யூரேட்டா அந்த இடத்துல உன்னால பாயிண்ட் அவுட் பண்ண முடியாது. So you must keep it dot like this. Otherwise, how to draw an arrow mark? ஒரு டாட்டோ இல்ல arrow mark போட்டோ நீ அந்த இடத்தை என்ன பண்ணணும்? You have to write down the places. Otherwise, without the dot, see here. Yeah, without the dot, you are writing the San Francisco here. What does it mean? What does it mean? You are writing this is in the ocean, isn't it? San Francisco in where? Yes, it is in North America. So you have to keep dot or arrow mark like this, and then you have to write down these places. It is very important to keep the dot and arrow mark. Do you understand all these places? Yes, I am going to recall one more time. What are the 7 continents I told you? Yes, that is North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia, isn't it? Yes, San Francisco in which continent? Yes, that is in North America. So which is the clue I said you? North America is a clue for San Francisco. And come to the Africa, Egypt and Morocco. These 2 places are located in which continent? Africa. And Italy, France, Morocco, Bosnia and Serbia. So all these places comes under which continent? Yes, that is in Europe continent. And next one is the Turkey. See here. This is Turkey. Turkey is located between 2 continents. That is Europe as well as Asia. So all these places comes under which continent? Europe continent. And India comes under which continent? Yes, it comes under the Asia continent. Japan comes under which continent? Asia continent. What are the 2 cities in Japan? That is Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Do you understand all these places? And one more places, that Greece, it is also comes under which continent? Europe continent. And that 0 degree is called as equator. This equator line only divides the earth into 2 equal halves. And which latitude line divides the India into 2 equal halves mean? That is the Tropic of Cancer. All these lines are imaginary line, not a real line. I told you, I gave so many explanation for this. Do you understand? I think you will understand this. Dear children, in social, you have 2 volumes. You know very well, isn't it? First volume and second volume, you have 2 volumes. So in this 2 volume, you have 3 types of maps. In first volume, you have world map. Already we saw now this world map. This world map is your compulsory question. And important 5 mark also. In 5 mark it is a compulsory question. In second volume you have in Tamil Nadu map. Again first volume you have one more map in geography, that is India map. So this is your compulsory question, compulsory map, and this Tamil Nadu map and India map is your option, either or, you can choose any one. Okay, do you understand about this? So this world map carry the 5 mark, and this India map and Tamil Nadu map carries the 8 marks. Shall we go to the India map now? Yes, see here. What do you know about India? We are living in India. It is our country. It is located in Asia continent. Yes, there are two seas in India. What is that? Yes, one is the Arabian Sea. See here, this is Arabian Sea. It is on the west side. Okay. The another sea is what? Yes, that is the Bay of Bengal. It is located on which side? Yes, it is located on the eastern side. And we have the two islands. Do you know what is that? Yes, one is the Lakshadweep. See here. Lakshadweep Island. Do you know why this island got this name? Because lakhs of the islands are located here. So only it got that name Lakshadweep. Another island in our country is Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman and Nicobar. And we have one ocean. What is that? Yes, that is Indian Ocean. Next up, the southern part of India. I already told you the southern part of India is called Peninsular India. Why mean? Because it covered by three sides water. See here, that is Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. Three sides covered by water mean that is called peninsula. So, southern part of India is called peninsula because of this reason. Next, we are going to see the ranges. Yes, what are the ranges we are going to see now? One is the Karakoram. See here, I am marking now this arrow mark. This arrow mark indicates what range? Karakoram. Yes, while writing these ranges, you have to draw like this line. While writing the ranges, you have to draw this line. And next one is the Ladakh. Next range is what? Ladakh. And next one is the Saskar. So these three are the ranges. Karakoram, Ladakh, Saskar. These three are the ranges. While writing these ranges, you have to draw this symbol. Do you understand this? And next one is the Aravalli. Already I told you, no, Aravalli. Aravalli is located in which state? Yes, it is near the Rajasthan. What is this? Aravalli range. It is located in Rajasthan. Next, Plateau. Plateau means what? Yes, it is in triangular shape. Plateau in the shape triangular shape. Triangle shape. Triangle shape la vichinadukku name Plateau. See here, in India there is the three plateau. One is the Malwa. Malwa Plateau. Chota Nagpur Plateau. Chota Nagpur Plateau. And next one is the Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau is in the southern India. So see here. So it is in triangular shape. You have to remember like this. Here Malwa, here Chota Nagpur, and southern part of India, that is the Deccan Plateau. Next, we are going to write down the Ghats. We have two Ghats in India. One is the Western Ghats. Another one is the Eastern Ghats. Do you find any difference between this Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats? Yes. Western Ghats mean it is a continuous range. See here, I am draw this line continuously. Okay. Here has come to the Eastern Ghats. This is the discontinuous. So only I am drawing like this. Leave some gap. No. So why it is a discontinuous mean? Because it is dissected by the rivers. Do you understand? Western Ghats is your continuous range and Eastern Ghats is your discontinuous range. What is the reason for that? Because it is dissected by the rivers, plateaus. Okay. Next one is the coastal plain. Near to the Western Ghats. Near to the Ghats, that is your coastal. So it is the west coastal plain. Near to the Western Ghats, that is what? West coastal plain. And near to the Eastern Ghats, what is that? Yes, that is East Coastal Plain. See here, many students still confuse between the Ghats and the coastal. Ghats is always near to the coastal. Coastal is always near to the sea. Do you understand? Ghats is always near to coastal. Coastal is always near to sea. So this is Western Ghats, this is West Coastal Plain, and this is the Arabian Sea. Like that, this is the Eastern Ghats, East Coastal Plain. Do you understand the difference between all these places? Yes, shall we move to the rivers? You see here, this is river Narmada. Do you know why I am writing here R? Because this R indicate river. Next, while writing the river name, first you have to mention this R. Next river, Tapti. Come to this side, river Mahanadi. River Godavari. River Krishna. And this is Tamil Nadu. Yes, that is Kaveri river. If they ask in our 2-mark question, write the west flowing rivers mean, you have to write down all the rivers which flow on the west side. What are the west flowing rivers? Yes, that is Narmada, Tapti. And east flowing rivers mean, what you have to write down? Yes, you have to write down Mahanadi, Godavari, River Krishna and Kaveri. So this is the west flowing rivers and this is on the east flowing rivers. Do you understand the rivers, ma'am? Yes. Next we are going to see that areas of heavy rainfall. Yeah, already I told you that Meghalaya receives the heavy rainfall, particularly Mount Sindra. It is the wettest place in the world. So this spot, this dot is the Meghalaya, which receives the heavy rainfall. See here. And also, Western Ghat is also what? Receives the heavy rainfall. So this area is also receives the areas of heavy rainfall. Areas of heavy rainfall mean, what you have to write down? Yes, you have to write down the Meghalaya and also the Western Ghats. Next one is yes, everything is completed. And mountain forest. Mountain forest means you have to remember the head of India. Head of India means what? Yes, this area is covered by what? This area is fully covered by mountain forest. Yes, and also biosphere. Already I told you, this is what biosphere, this dot indicates Agastya Malai. It is located between Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Keralakum Tamil Nadukum irukudi and the border la enna located aayirukku Agastya Malai biosphere. And one more biosphere is Panna. It is located in which state? Yes, it is located in Madhya Pradesh. Panna biosphere. Already I told you southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon, isn't it? So I am going to draw now southwest monsoon. Southwest monsoon, there are the two branches. Okay? One is the Arabian Sea. Another part is the Bay of Bengal branch. So this directions indicates southwest monsoon. What is this? Southwest monsoon. Do you understand, children? Yes, I have completed the India map for first 2 lessons. Dear children, see all these places and work out at home. Thank you all. Take care. Be safe at home.